Do you notice a bad smell coming from your kitchen or bathroom sink, even after cleaning it? You wipe the surface, you use soap, maybe even disinfect it, but the smell keeps coming back. That's because the real problem is not on the surface. It's inside the drain. In this video, I'll show you a simple method using baking soda and vinegar that helps reduce sink odor and clean buildup inside the pipes. No complicated tools, just things you already have at home. Before we fix it, it helps to understand what's going on. Most sink odors come from a combination of food particles going down the drain, grease and oil buildup, soap residue, moisture inside the pipe. Over time, this creates a layer of buildup where bacteria can grow. And that's what causes the bad smell. So the goal is not just to mask the odor, but to break down that buildup. For this method, you only need 2 simple ingredients: baking soda, white vinegar, and hot water. That's it. Step 1. Add baking soda. Start by pouring about half a cup of baking soda directly into the sink drain. Try to let as much of it go inside the pipe as possible. Baking soda helps loosen grime and neutralize odor. Step 2. Add vinegar. Now slowly pour 1 cup of white vinegar into the drain. You'll immediately see fizzing and bubbling. This reaction helps break down grease and stuck debris inside the pipe. Let it work for about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, you don't need to do anything, just let the reaction happen. Step 3. Flush with hot water. After waiting, boil some water or use very hot tap water. Slowly pour it down the drain. This helps wash away loosened buildup and clears the pipe. After doing this, many people notice reduced odor, smoother water, flow, a fresher smell around the sink area. If the smell was strong before, you may need to repeat the process once more. Here are a few mistakes to avoid. Don't pour everything too quickly. Slow reaction works better. Use cold water at the end. It won't flush buildup properly. Expect instant permanent results if the drain is heavily clogged. This method is great for maintenance and mild buildup. For serious blockages, you may need additional cleaning or a plumber. For best results, you can repeat this method once every 2 to 4 weeks or whenever you start noticing odor again. Regular cleaning prevents buildup from returning. This simple routine helps reduce sink odor and keeps your drain fresher. If you found this helpful, you can try it at home and see the difference yourself. And if you want more simple home cleaning hacks like this, you can check out other videos on this channel. Like, share and subscribe to the channel.